This is the mark from the cam pulley, and this is the arrow. This is the arrow, and this is the slot from the damper pulley. Position of the cam lobe is at compression stroke. These two and the rear. If you don't have tools, use the caliper. See the distance. This is the cam lobe, and this one here. Keep the same position, and then that is the time that your timing means is good. Use the caliper by the distance. See, also here.